Good morning, dear student. Dear student, in your term 1 exam, drawing paper also there. So, here I will show you how to draw the picture and fill the color. So, first of all, here we are going to following topics like that: geometrical design. Use the square, rectangle, circle, semicircle, pentagon. Any 5 geometrical forms you have to use and draw the design overlap to each other. So, first what to do? Draw the 16 by 16 centimeter square in a center. You have to draw the 16 by 16 centimeter square in a paper. Leave the space, leave the equal space that all the sides, and start your drawing like this way. First of all, here I am going with square inside, this is the square. Then overlap the circle shape here. Now here draw the one triangle. So, square, circle, triangle. Here follow the rectangle. Here draw one more triangle, but in a different shapes. And here draw one semicircle. If you wish to repeat that same shapes, draw big and small, like here that big circle is there. Here that one big square is there. So here draw the small square. So your drawing is ready. Complete like this way, overlap to each other. Use the geometrical forms like that: circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Again here that I repeat, one triangle, here semicircle, here one more square is there. And then start to fill the color, and last give the outline. Dear student, before start the colors, see here I gave outline that all the geometrical forms, the double line I gave. Now I am going to fill the color. So with the help of color, separate that all the parts. This one crimson red is there. So in this part I am going with crimson red. In small part you have to use 0 number brush. Same here also. See student, in this much part I filled crimson red color. Now in other part, here in a circle half part with a yellow ochre color. So fill that different part in a yellow ochre color. In this circle half part, in that square half part, small part, and in this small square in a half part, fill that yellow ochre color. In only half a part you have to fill it. Don't take the more water. You have to move your brush in a one direction, otherwise patch will come. So like this way fill the yellow ochre color, and then we are going with skin color, that light orange. In this one part, so, and don't fill the color in double line, that part you have to leave it. Now here fill that. Crimson red. In a small part, use the 0 number brush and fill the color. Now in a center, we are going with orange color. So fill that here, orange color. In a center, triangle. Now here also fill the orange color, and this one part also. Same here, and here fill the orange color. See student, in this big square, red color, in that rectangle, yellow ochre, here also yellow ochre, here and here. Now In this circle part here and here, that I followed skin color, light orange color. Now only one part is left to fill the color. That one I am going with crimson red. So our coloring main forms, geometrical forms coloring work is going to over. Now in a background only one single color. I will fill the single color. That one dark blue, Persian blue. So like this way fill the color carefully. Move your brush in a one direction and outside background fill the color. See student, here I completed that background color. In a background I filled Persian blue color and our coloring work is over. Now turn to start that texture design. So with the help of sketch pen, brush and color, I will give the, with the help of brown color sketch pen, here in ochre yellow color I am going to give texture design in a dot. Here show also shading. In a corner part do the dots very nearly and then other part do the separate dots. Put your sketch pen properly, shape should be proper. Same in this circle part also. Do very small dots. In that all ochre yellow color I gave texture design in a dots pattern. Now in a crimson red, with the help of ruler and a sketch pen, like this we draw the line. Leave the space in between. And student, you can follow any texture design. You can follow sketch pen, crayons color, pointed material like that, toothpick, empty, refill, anything you have to do with the texture design. It is not compulsory to you have to follow same pattern. You can create your own texture, own design and pattern also. Three line, then I leave the space and again 3 line, then leave the space. So it's look like different. Now in a circle with the orange sketch pen and ruler, I am following the line. Draw the line like this way and fill it here color with the help of sketch pen, otherwise crayons color. Fill the color in a one line, leave one line, and in a second line also same fill sketch pen या crayons color. Again leave the one line and fill it color like this way. Complete this one pattern. Same that pattern follow here also. Draw the slanting line, leave equal measurement and draw line. Same this part also. So with the crayons color fill the in a single line. Same in a square. So I completed that pattern in this circle, semicircle, triangle and square. Now in orange color is left to do the design. So with the red color, help of red color, I am doing the circle, small, big, small, medium size, small dots. Again one more big circle with the crayons color. Do this pattern like this way in a orange color. Different size circle. Draw the circle with crayons color and fill inside the color. So see student, picture is completed. Here I followed that geometrical forms: square, triangle, semicircle, circle, triangle, rectangle and square overlap to each other, and then fill the color, and last let the color dry and do the texture design. In a texture design you can follow any pattern. It is not mandatory to follow same pattern. You can create your own design, and this one design also do your choice design and fill the color. So in an exam do the practice like this way and complete your work.